Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So as you are already aware of, from the last dialogue onwards, we have adopted a new method where instead of having a single video and clubbing everything together, we will be uploading 4 videos. Okay, so the first video will be only about the dialogue. Okay, there won't be any translation, and this is beneficial for people who just want to practice it. Okay, so then they won't have to move ahead with respect to or scroll ahead with respect to getting to the second segment or the another segment. The second video will be about dialogue with translation. Those who want to translate, those who want to practice the dialogue along with and then match the translation. Okay, so they can go through that video. The third video will be about notes taking, wherein people can compare what notes I would have taken for this particular dialogue, and then you can compare it with yours, or if you're struggling with anything, then you can refer to my notes. The fourth one will be about vocab, wherein all the important words or phrases covered in this dialogue will be placed under that video. So in this way, so it will be very beneficial for people to choose whatever dialogue they want to go ahead with as per their choice. So now coming back to this dialogue, so this is dialogue number 61 and it's about dropping grades, and as I already told, this is only the dialogue. So let's begin. Mrs. Sunita, a Hindi speaking woman, is visiting the office of Mr. Alex, who teaches maths to her son Rahul. Mr. Alex is concerned about Rahul's dropping grades. The dialogue begins now. Hello, Mrs. Sunita. How are you? Thank you for coming today. I am Alex, Rahul maths teacher. नमस्ते श्रीमान एलेक्स। जैसा कि आप जानते होंगे कि राहुल के पापा अब हमारे साथ नहीं हैं और पिछले कुछ महीनों से मेरा भोजनालय काफ़ी व्यस्त रहा है, इसलिए मैं आज से पहले आपसे नहीं मिल पाई। उसके लिए मुझे क्षमा करें। Yes, I am aware of it. No worries, Mrs. Sunita. I must say, you are a very strong woman. धन्यवाद। क्या ये आपकी पत्नी की तस्वीर है? वह बहुत ही सुंदर है। Yes, we have been married for several years, but every time I see her, I feel mesmerized. यह तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो क्या मैं ये समझूं कि आपने मुझे आज यहाँ राहुल के बारे में बात करने के लिए बुलाया है? Yes, we are concerned about his behavior in class. Many a times I have caught him napping during the class. He seems to be very low on energy all the time. So have you noticed any major changes in him lately? नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कुछ तो महसूस नहीं किया है। उसकी दिनचर्या तो हमेशा से एक जैसी ही रही है। स्कूल जाना, बैंड का अभ्यास करना, बर्फ पर हॉकी खेलना और सप्ताहांत में नाटक कक्षा के लिए जाना। I see. It feels like he has got a very tight schedule. Maybe he is not getting enough sleep. Kids at his age need to have proper rest, otherwise, they cannot perform well at school. जी आप सही कह रहे हैं। रविवार को तो वह अच्छे से आराम करता है और मैं उस दिन उसे तुरही का अभ्यास करने से भी मना करती हूँ। I see. What about his food habits? Is he eating well? Is he having a good meal before he goes to school in the mornings? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। मैं उसे डबल रोटी और अनाज का दलिया देती हूँ और कभी-कभी मैं उसके लिए पैनकेक भी बना देती हूँ। मैं उससे इस बारे में बात करने की कोशिश करूँगी, लेकिन वह बहुत ही अंतर्मुखी है और इसलिए उसकी मन की बातें जानना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है। Yes, I can understand that. His grades are also dropping in maths. It is a shock for me because he used to be the best performer earlier. मैं ये सुनिश्चित करूंगी कि वह कड़ी मेहनत करे। मैं उसके लिए एक अनुशिक्षक का भी प्रबंध करने की सोच रही हूँ। क्या आपके कोई सहयोगी है जिनका आप सुझाव दे सकते हैं? I am sure administration would be able to help you with this. They sit on the upper floor. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं सच में इसकी बहुत सराहना करती हूँ कि आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया और राहुल की स्थिति के बारे में अवगत करवाया। So guys, this is the end of the dialogue. So kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day. Bye bye.